welcome to Mama's Plant-Based Kitchen. Today I am going to put together a chocolate banana sherbet, but I don't think it's sherbet really. I think it's sorbet. I'm not sure. But this recipe book I got from a garage sale, and I'm going to alter it to be vegan or dairy-free. I'm gonna alter it here just a little bit. I also got this really nice cookbook holder here. I got all of this for $5, the cookbook holder and the book. So anyway, we're gonna start out. I will give you the recipe that it calls for, and then I'll just show you what I'm gonna do, okay? It calls for 2 ripe bananas, a cup of peach juice, pineapple juice, or apricot juice. So just a cup of juice. And then they say a half a cup of Hershey semi-sweet chocolate chips, because this is a Hershey book. And then it says 2 tablespoons of sugar and a cup of 2% milk. But we don't eat some of that. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to use 3 small bananas, ripe. Put them in my blender. I have some people sometimes ask me, what do you eat for ice cream? Well, there's several ways you can make an ice cream cone. You can make them out of frozen, which I have a recipe for that. I have a frozen ice cream maker that actually you put the frozen fruit in and then it comes out soft serve. So I make my ice cream usually that way, but I saw this recipe and I wanted to give it a try. So this is how I'm going to do it, and hopefully you guys will try it at home. I have 3 ripe bananas, and they said to go ahead and put your fruit in with your bananas. So I'm going to go ahead and put my fruit in. And then you want to blend that. So let's get that blended. How's your day going? Mine's going pretty good. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, this is kind of loud. And instead of using the semi-sweets, today I'm just going to use 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Put that in at this time. And I used these little cups, and I used one just a few minutes ago, one of the cups, and I'm gonna use the rest of it up. And then I'm gonna put 2 cups of milk in, because I put an extra banana in, as you saw, and I want to make more. So, oh, and I want to put a little stevia in. They said sugar, we don't use sugar, so just a little stevia. I think I'm going to add 1 more banana. This is the first time I'm making this. I want it a little bit more smooth. And since I added 2 cups of milk instead of just 1, I want another banana in there. And that will make it nice and smooth. Okay, then I'm going to just use this and fill it probably about half full is all you want to do, and then I'll use a thinner one here. And then you freeze it for at least 2 hours, but I'm freezing mine overnight. And I will show you the results later.
Such a good flavor. It turned out more like ice milk than ice cream, but it was good.
I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.